Hello everyone, I am Harshita and today I am going to explain you about Payable security. Payable security in Oracle Fusion Payable secure access to invoices and payments by business unit. You can access invoices and payments to view or for processing only in the business unit to which you have permission. The permission must be explicit granted to each user. For, per- for performing this, we use Manage Data Access for User task in the instance, where we will assign user to the appropriate business unit and give the predefined role to the user. And that predefined roles are accounts payable manager, accounts payable specialist, accounts payable supervisor, accounts payable invoice supervisor. So now I will show you how it is done in the application. Now we will go to the application. We will log into the application and from there we will go to setup and maintenance. Then from the task list, we will select Manage Implementation Project. Now from here, we will search and select the project in which we are working. Now from the taskbar, we will select the task Manage Data Access for Users. We will click on this hyperlink. Then we will go to Manage Data Access Set for User. Go to Task. Now for creating the new data access for user, we will click on this Create. Now here, we will give the username to whom you want to specify the roles, and then we will give it the security context. Security context is the level at which you want to enforce security. That is our business unit. Then we will give security context value, the business unit which we have created and which business unit we want to assign to this user for this role. Now we will select the user, then search for the role accounts payable manager. Under security context, we will give business unit, and under security context value, we will select our business unit. Now, one by one, we will give all the roles to the user. To add new user, we will just click on this button and a row will be added. Then we will search for the user. Then assign role to it. I have assigned accounts payable manager. Now I'm assigning accounts payable specialist. Security context is business unit. Security context value is Australian business unit. Now again, for adding role, click here. Give username. Assign role. We have assigned accounts payable manager, accounts payable specialist. Now we are assigning accounts payable supervisor. Business unit is the security context and security context value is the business unit which we have created. Like this, you can create data access for user. Now we will just click on save and close. And like this, we have created our data access for user in the instance. So it was all about the Payable security. Thank you.